In today's world, most of us are familiar with the term called artificial intelligence. From Alexa or Siri to self-driving cars, or from robots to science fiction movies, AI is progressing rapidly. As a human being, we perform various tasks intelligently in our day-to-day life, and the combination is called human intelligence. But can the same jobs or a narrow part of those be performed by the computer intelligently like the human being? So, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that can be performed in to think like humans or mimic their actions. So, in short, AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, and AI includes learning, reasoning, and self-correction. The term AI was actually coined by John McCarthy in 1956. In this slide, you can see the components of artificial intelligence. First, knowledge is gathered from the domain expert like doctors, and computer programmers convert the gathered knowledge to machine readable format and stored into knowledge base. The normal user communicates with AI system through an user interface. An inference engine is there which infers and outputs the required information using the knowledge stored in the knowledge base. So in this slide you can see different domains where AI can be used. One of them is healthcare, other one is education where AI can be used. Smart home is another one, and social media where AI can be implemented vastly. Automobiles and gaming, those are two other domains. So here we are highlighting one of the domains called social media. So as of now, social media has a huge user base. So AI can be used in social media for advertisement, marketing, finance, etc. Image recognition, emotion analysis, etc. are the active parts of AI used in social media. Different techniques like classification, neural network, deep learning are widely applied for emotion and behavior analysis in case of social media. We are taking another domain called healthcare where AI is greatly used for different segments. You know that robots are used nowadays to do multiple different surgeries, and that is one of the examples of use of AI in case of healthcare. Suppose you have purchased one brand new radio controlled toy helicopter and suddenly you have lost the remote. Now you are thinking if the helicopter can be operated using your brainwave, like whatever you think it will do, going forward, backward, go up, down, etc. That is the concept of brain computer interface, or in short it is called BCI. Whenever human thinks something, some electromagnetic signal is generated inside the brain, which can be captured using some sophisticated device. There are two techniques basically. One is invasive, where a chip is placed under the skull. Non-invasive technique is another one, which is mostly dependent on EEG. Here some advantages and disadvantages are presented.